Hello guys, and we are gonna do mini games, but we're not gonna do Bow Blitz. Okay,
Potato games?
oh yeah, that's my brother's friend, Sienna.
Yeah. I'm playing Minecraft too.
And I'm just gonna play Sprint Racer.
Wait, never mind.
Uh,
What is that?
Cause I love Sprint Racer, but I'm horrible at it. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, the chip just got stuck in one of my legs.
Start.
Liam is his brother. Yeah, they know that.
Okay. Wait, what? You need a custom racer. Oh yeah. I know that.
You need a custom what?
You don't need to know. Okay.
What is
Now
What
connecting
to
to the realm. Joining world. Yay!
Is
Wait.
that server actually on public? Because I think you just got hit.
I'm gonna practice.
You're on game mode.
I'm going. Oh my gosh. I'm going really fast.
Villager.
I'm gonna hit you back. Come on.
You can't hit people on this.
I'm ready to play.
Look for the next racetrack, and you're being timed.
I wanna vote. Wait, how do you vote?
I think you.
Oh yeah,
press
it's
the
I remember.
And you're being timed. Going on my roller coaster.
Here it is.
I only have
9 seconds. Come on. Okay, I need to get in the line. I am in the line. Oh, come on. Oh god. I'm gonna.
left control to switch.
I know. I'm first. Oh shoot. Where do we go? Oh wait, what? Where am I? Oops. I'm out. Oh, you're
busted out
off
of
the
my map.
course.
I busted out of the map.
Dang it. I am so bad at
You
this.
probably need to be better at parkour. Yeah, I'm better at parkour.
Ah! We're out of the course.
I hope
This is so sad.
I hope the zombies make the same mistake. It was not a mistake. The
Oh, yes,
zombies
it
did
was.
The zombies did it.
Help
You
me!
went on the end.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
I hope I don't accidentally scoop the couch on the wall.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Please, I need help. Okay, I'm gonna try
Oh
a
my gosh, I'm trying to get it.
wait. Next track. Crash course. Okay,
Slash craft.
wait.
Maybe you say slash craft course.
Okay.
Just try it. I don't know if it will work.
Wait, that's not how you spell crash.
You've gone AFK?
Wait, what's an AFK?
I don't know what it stands for, but it means like you're not doing you're not by your computer.
Oh, there we go.
I
Finally.
don't know what it stands for. Hooray, you're no longer AFK.
Yeah.
I think for that AFK means that you can't be hit or
Oh, hello.
anything 'cause
Oh my gosh, that was so funny. I'm gonna vote for this one.
Maybe you need to do the right thing. No, that's right. Wait for the next voice chat. Come on.
I'm gonna vote for that one. No, that one. That one.
Here. I'm gonna do some parkour on this side.
Hey, hey, how do you do this? How do you do this?
Click the papers. You've never clicked the papers.
Oh, yeah. No. Yes.
Cool.
I'm gonna vote that one. I voted that one. Okay. Okay. Next race. Okay, I voted for that one. So let's go.
I appreciate that vote.
Did I get it? Did I get it?
I hope.
I did not get it.
No, that's the same one.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's icy. That's what it looks like from the picture.
No.
The other one is pink.
Run. Run, 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 run. Run, run, Rudolph. Okay, and I don't know the date. Liam, what's the date?
Date?
Look on your phone.
Ew,
Oh no!
Pearl.
I
Pearl.
better go. Go.
Ender Pearl.
I'm not gonna use it. I only use it when I need to. Like when I'm in 4th place all the time.
Yeah, you're
Ooh, I'm in first
Wednesday,
place.
November 27th.
Okay, yeah. And it's 2019, so it's in the future. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
You can Ender Pearl
Booyah.
if it's about to end.
Okay, I'm going. Oh no!
This is the last one.
I'm in 3rd. Come back here. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 What the heck? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Bro! Oh, that sounds.
Ender
Oh
Pearl.
no! Oh no! He has a sword. Go! Go!
Ender Pearl.
No, I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished.
I know that you missed.
You missed the checkpoint.
And you're in 4th place.
I'm in 4th place. Wow. I missed the checkpoint. I finished in 1st place? Oh no. No! No! I missed the
I
checkpoint.
told you should have.
Oh my
finished the Ender
gosh.
Pearl.
I missed the checkpoint. Oh my gosh. And in the comments, please say how bad I am.
Yeah, because you are
I missed the checkpoint.
If I somehow find this on YouTube, I am definitely gonna reply
Oh my gosh.
to whatever you comment.
I was gonna finish in 1st, but I finished in 4th.
If I find this, I'm gonna comment vote for ice. And,
Oh yeah, I voted for I voted for that one, but
um,
I'm gonna vote. Wait,
If
what's
I-
one? Oh, I'm gonna vote for that one.
if I ever get to comment on this video, I am definitely gonna say
Okay, I voted for
hashtag
that
vote
one.
For ice.
I voted for that one. Let's go.
I don't want. Oh yeah.
Okay, the race starts. Oh, hello, credits.
Vote for
Who is
ice.
that? I
Oh,
just
now
want to know
you're
who that
looking at
is.
Now you are.
Oh, let's go. I got what I voted for.
Go.
Woo! Woo!
Here's the zombie. Hurry up.
Whoa, I'm in 3rd. I'm in 1st. Let's go. Oh shoot, I should have got.
What way do you go? Oh, there's arrows. Hooray. Where am I supposed to be going? I forgot where I was supposed to be going. Look at the arrows.
Woohoo! Oh,
Holy cow.
Where am I? I'm off the course.
Again. Holy cow.
Am I back on the course? Wait. Oh, I
Yeah.
died. I'm in 1st.
No,
Third.
Good job.
I am dumb.
Very dumb. I wish you got Ender.
Where's the arrow here?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There we go. Oh shoot. Whoa, I'm going too fast.
Holy cow.
I'm going too fast. Where am I?
Crash.
Wait, where am I supposed? Oh, I'm supposed to be going this way. Ah, wrong way. Wait, I'm just gonna stay here. Okay, there we go. That's how we do it.
Follow the arrow.
And we're going here.
I like this map because it has arrows, and please stop going on the speed things because that way it's hard to control.
Wait, where do I go now? Do I just go back? Wrong way.
I'm learning.
Where do I go?
I'm learning how to use.
What do I go?
I'm learning how to use hacks in case.
Where do I go? What do I do?
Help me.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna vote for this next time
Yeah.
because I don't
That's
even.
why I didn't want to.
Oh shoot! Wait, what?
TNT.
Where am I supposed to go? I'm going the wrong way. I don't care.
Yeah, I think I know a command that would help you.
What is it?
/kill.
Oh, kill. That's not no. Wait, /kill CPU. /kill CPU. No! I'm off the course.
I
Slash-
don't think you're allowed to use commands.
You've gone AFK. What's that?
Oh.
The race has ended.
It means they don't think you're playing right
Oh!
now. You have to-
Shoot! Oh my gosh. I hate that course. I am never gonna choose that again.
Chickens? A chicken? Yeah, little chickies are.
Liam, that's on your phone.
Please
Okay?
ignore him. You're not watching his video because he's not filming. Yeah, I'm not filming.
Okay, what's in here?
I don't know where I'm
Who are you? What's...
going.
Ooh! What's that?
I wish you had created it. I do.
I have a snowball.
Love snowball. I love snowball. If I were you, I'd choose a different server to play.
What do you mean? I'm gonna go in here. What's this? I want some food.
Oh my gosh. A chick just jumped out of a cloud.
I'm in his barrel. What is this? What? Am I in?
Actually, it's a cauldron.
One.
That's
This is. Oh, I'm gonna vote. I'm gonna vote for that. That one's awesome. I voted for that.
The villager's wiggling his nose at you because you voted for that one. That's Crash Course.
Who are you?
That's Crash Course.
I know. I
the
voted
one
for
we
it.
did the first time. Hey, Chicky, why did you get to me?
Wait. One.
Oh my gosh.
I voted for it.
I just ran over a chick.
I voted for Crash Course. Woo! Crash Course.
I didn't think you
Oh,
liked
I'm in
it.
your barrel. What? What the heck?
The game started.
Oh no! This is the one I went off the course. This is
Yeah,
that.
that's what I was trying to say.
They're all looking at me.
Oh,
Let me
you
out
jumped
of
off.
here. Wow.
Oh
I'm
shoot!
stuck.
I am totally doing.
I'm not going to
Yeah, that's where you were supposed to go. You were supposed to
Jump. I was supposed to jump in the city. Ooh!
Ow.
It's so dark in here. Holy, I'm going fast. I'm going fast. I'm on fast. Woo! Oh, wait. No, I missed. Oh, shoot. What's that?
It's just water.
Oh, come on, I need to go. Oh. Let's get it. I am so slow right now.
Okay.